Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Stained Glass DIY. So I want to take you through a tour of a stained glass shop if you haven't been to one, just so you know what it's like inside. So of course they had some things that I'm still unfamiliar with, like the glass fusing or the leading stuff, but you'll notice some of the familiar things that we've been using, like the copper foil tape, the glass cutter, the pliers, and even some of the consumable liquids, the patina, the flux, the coolant, and I also saw some quick clean in there as well. And their glass selection is definitely the most impressive that I've seen to date, but I've only been to 2 other stores before this one. Still a crazy amount of glass that you can choose from. Okay, enjoy the tour and let's get to it. Alright, that was the biggest stained glass store in Canada. We got lucky and found this place. They stock and have a huge warehouse of so much glass. So if you guys are in Quebec, be sure to visit this place. Give it a look. It's definitely worth it if you're into stained glass. So this is a small video for me. So I hope you guys have a good one and we'll start our new project in the next video.